Hi everyone, Darren Conrad here at Conrad's Harley-Davidson, and today I'm showing off this 2021 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special in Billiard Red and Vivid Black. Get a good look at the color. Good color combination on this one. Goes good with the all blacked out finishes. And the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8. This one has the stretched saddlebags that has the Harley-Davidson down on the bottom there. Nice touch. Goes well with that two-tone. This one does come with the LED Daymaker headlights. And the gloss black Prodigy wheels. This also has the low profile engine guard. Good look at the back of the bike. These bikes also come with the rider reflex defense system, which is an option on some models. I like just the bar and shield logo. I think it's a really nice touch. Alright, let's start this one up. And this is a new dash setup too for the 2021s. Single side gas cap, GTS infotainment system. So if you got any questions, give us a call, 1-815-725-2000, or visit us on our website at www.conradshd.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel as I put new models on as they come. And as always, thank you so much for viewing.